to the channel. This is actually pretty crazy because I don't remember the last time I talked in a video. It's been a while, it's been a minute. But the reason for that is because I honestly like to edit to like music and make things more cinematic. Creatively, it's a lot more fun for me. And so I hope you rock with those videos as much as you do with these. Yeah, so let's get on to the shoot. Alright guys, so I'm just going to give you a quick review. These are my first pair of Yeezys. They are my favorite silhouette, the 700s. They are a day shoe. They are very comfortable to wear. They come in this monochromatic light gray finish. I don't know if you can see right there. It has this 3M reflective in the back, and it also has a real subtle black accent in the back with a matching underfoot. I'm not gonna lie, I thought when I heard Salt these were gonna be more white, but no, it is this dope gray color, suede, leather. This is just very, very sick shoe. I'm really excited to have these. I'm gonna be wearing them a lot. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like them? Are Yeezys dead or whatever? Yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.
I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time.